Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this issue on Windows 11 operating system. It's just a two-step process. Firstly, we need to go to device manager, go to search bar and type your device manager. Click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to expand the display adapters. Right click on the drivers, select properties, go to drivers tab, and here we have to click on update drivers. So make sure you are connected with your internet connection and then select search automatically for drivers. So select it. This will take some time, and after that the best drivers will be installed. Now close this window and move to the last step. That will be simply go to search bar, type services, click here to open it. Now on this window find out Windows Update, then just scroll down. Here it is. Right click on it, select properties, then select startup type as automatic. Make sure you are connected with internet connection, and then click on apply, and then you have to click on start the service. So once done, click on OK, close this window, then go to settings, just scroll down and click on Windows Update, and click here to check the latest updates, and then download and install the all latest updates on your operating system. After that, make sure you have to connect your HDMI cable. Then that's it guys, you are good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.